Meet Rob. He runs an online shopping portal. The portal started with a modest number of users, but has recently been seeing a surge in the number of visitors. On Black Friday and other holidays, the portal saw so many visitors that the servers were unable to handle the traffic and crashed. Is there a way to improve performance without having to invest in a new server? Wondered Rob. A way to upscale or downscale capacity, depending on the number of users visiting the website at any given point? Well, there is. Amazon Web Services, one of the leaders in the cloud computing market. Before we see how AWS can solve Rob's problem, let's have a look at how AWS reached the position it is at now. AWS was first introduced in 2002 as a means to provide tools and services to developers to incorporate features of Amazon.com to their website. In 2006, its first cloud services offering was introduced. In 2016, AWS surpassed its $10 billion revenue target. And now, AWS offers more than 100 cloud services that span a wide range of domains. Thanks to this, the AWS Cloud Service Platform is now used by more than 45% of the global market. Now, let's talk about what is AWS. AWS, or Amazon Web Service, is a secure cloud computing platform that provides computing power, database, networking, content storage, and much more. The platform also works with a pay-as-you-go pricing model, which means you only pay for how much of the services offered by AWS you use. Some of the other advantages of AWS are security. AWS provides a secure and durable platform that offers end-to-end privacy and security. Experience. You can benefit from the infrastructure management practices born from Amazon's years of experience. Flexible. It allows users to select the OS, language, database, and other services. Easy to use. Users can host applications quickly and securely. Scalable. Depending on user requirements, applications can be scaled up or down. AWS provides a wide range of services across various domains. What if Rob wanted to create an application for his online portal? AWS provides compute services that can support the app development process from start to finish. From developing, deploying, running, to scaling the application, up or down based on the requirements. The popular services include EC2, AWS Lambda, Amazon Lightsail, and Elastic Beanstalk. For storing website data, Rob could use AWS storage services that would enable him to store, access, govern, and analyze data to ensure that costs are reduced, agility is improved, and innovation accelerated. Popular services within this domain include Amazon S3, EBS, S3 Glacier, and Elastic File Storage. Rob can also store the user data in a database with AWS services, which he can then optimize and manage. Popular services in this domain include Amazon RDS, DynamoDB, and Redshift. If Rob's businesses took off and he wanted to separate his cloud infrastructure or scale up his work requests and much more, he would be able to do so with the networking services provided by AWS. Some of the popular networking services include Amazon VPC, Amazon Route 53, and Elastic Load Balancing. Other domains that AWS provides services in are analytics, blockchain, containers, machine learning, Internet of Things, and so on. And there you go. That's AWS for you in a nutshell. Now, before we're done, let's have a look at a quiz. Which of these services are incorrectly matched? 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll be pinning the question in the comment section. Comment below with your answer and stand a chance to win an Amazon voucher. Several companies around the world have found great success with AWS. Companies like Netflix, Twitch, LinkedIn, Facebook, and BBC have taken advantage of the services offered by AWS to improve their business efficiency. And thanks to their widespread usage, AWS professionals are in high demand. They're highly paid and earn up to more than $127,000 per annum. Once you're AWS certified, you could be one of them too. Take your first step towards getting certified by clicking on the top right corner. If you enjoyed this video, A thumbs up would be